Why Paris is such an enthralling city? Why it's so famous? Paris is unarguably one of the most beautiful cities in the world, the capital of France, of art and of fashion. Paris, the city of light, is the world's most visited capital. The city is proud of its many monuments from the iconic Eiffel Tower to the lofty Notre Dame Cathedral and the majestic Arc de Triomphe. No doubt, this is Europe's most enchanting capital and it is also known as the romantic destination of Europe. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TFC means Travel, Fashion and Culture. Here, I always try to share my best travel experience and story through this channel. Paris trip back in 2006 was my third international trip after Hong Kong and Tokyo, and it was my first ever trip to Paris. As a fashion designer, it was like a dream come true because Paris is a fashion capital in the world, so that way it was a great opportunity for me. Actually, it wasn't so easy for me to grab this opportunity because there are already many other designers were in the queue. But my hard work paid off and I got a chance to fly to Paris. And second reason was that I was handling many of the company's top French and Italian brands and labels. Paris, the city and the capital of France, situated in the north-central part of the country. People were living on the site of the present-day city, located along the Seine River. For centuries, Paris has been one of the world's most important and attractive cities. It is appreciated for the opportunities it offers for business and commerce, for study, for culture and for entertainment. Its gastronomy, haute couture, painting, literature and intellectual community especially enjoy an enviable reputation. No matter what time of year you visit, Paris will be sure to enamor and enchant with its picture-perfect landscapes and world-class museums. Whether you visit Paris for a day or a week, you will be left longing to return to explore this magical city even future. Paris is one of the most desirable and popular travel destinations in the world, thanks to its stunning architecture, its wealth of art and culture, and its exquisite gastronomy that will leave you feeling blissful, if not a few pounds heavier. The day had come when I, my second boss and two of my senior designers were flying from Delhi to Paris with Air France. Air France continued to grow its activity in India, operating its first non-stop flight between Paris and Delhi in 1982. In 2005, the company connected Paris to cities of Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad as well. Paris is famous for its cafe culture, the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, Notre Dame, the Moulin Rouge, pastries and fashion. Paris is often seen as having beauty, elegance and as being a boldly romantic city. It was an official visit and we were supposed to meet several back-to-back buyers meeting in 6 days of our trip, and we hardly got time to see Paris during the day. But on the first day we are going to visit an international exhibition called Premier Vision, which forecast fashion and trends for the coming seasons.
I have already started. I'm on. Shantanu finds these ladies very smart. Shantanu has got a smile from a hot chick. Wow, man. Not bad. Not bad, Shantanu. Please take mine also. वीडियो चल रहा है अभी. थोड़ी देर ऐसी धीरे रख. वीडियो है वीडियो.
No, it's okay, fine.
Saw it. It's really cold and raining. Shantanu, are you feeling cold or not? Bit only. My hands are gone. I can't hold this camera anymore. Okay, this is the Premier Vision hall, and we are going to Indigo.
Premier Vision Paris is one among the leading French company which is responsible for organizing textile and fashion fairs. The professionals gather and exchange viewpoints on current trends and unique creations. This is a must-attend event for all fashion designers who are looking forward to sharing their most innovative designs and trends among a crowd full of topmost professionals from different corners of the world. Paris is known for its very classy and sophisticated fashion, and people mostly wear black and any subtle colors. 7 things not to wear in Paris. According to French chic fashion, nothing too short, no pulling necklines, no neon colors, no fakes, no heavy makeup, no sportswear, nothing too lavish. We went to dinner at a very grand hotel where Lebanese and other Asian foods were served, and we were all fond of Lebanese food. Some Lebanese music and dancing were going on in the corner, and that was creating a happy atmosphere.
मूवी बन रही है. ऐसा हमेशा करती हूँ मैं. Sorry. Okay, no problem. It's a movie. No. You know, here is Priyanka actually. Somewhere there. This is Shantanu. In Hussain Chalian, he's feeling too. And this is Joy, who just doesn't like to enjoy with us. No, Priyanka is always out. This is me. Yeah. If I have come in the shot. Okay, that's it. The most delicious meal. This is all finished actually. Cheers. Wow. I think so, because when I started working, I left everything for it. When I joined teaching, I was 19.
What is the best quality
and I think at that time I was young. So I could, maybe that's the thinking. No, why I got so like this? At that time, 5,000 yeah, I want 5,000.
It was a wonderful evening here and we enjoyed our dinner in true Lebanese style with amazing Lebanese music. Well, we could not imagine Paris without art, culture, fashion and music and a bunch of friends and family in the cafeteria, pubs and restaurants. I have learned that how people enjoy their lives here in Paris. I hope you liked the video, but this is not the end of this trip. You can see some more interesting stories and unknown facts about Paris in second part of this edition. So guys, stay tuned here on TFC and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.